All right, so today is Holly's 30th birthday. Big deal, right? Big deal. Probably the biggest birthday since she turned 21, right? So we booked a night at the Yacht and Beach Club, just a standard, standard view room, standard nothing crazy. But upon check-in, they made some extra Disney magic, which was unbelievable. They upgraded us to a club level 2-bedroom suite. Let's go see this thing, it's insane. This is crazy! We have 3 doors into this room. 3 doors into this room. Second bathroom. I believe there's 3 bathrooms in this. Oops. Patio view.
Hi, Carol is in the lobby.
Ew.
Oh, Carol.
Hello, everyone.
Hello.
Hello. Hey.
What?
Hey.
What?
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
And there's this massive, that's Holly's birthday cake. Happy 30th. The view overlooking the boardwalk area.
Did you see that, Brian?
What?
The cake you got her? The top matches the cake.
No, I didn't know that. That's really crazy. King bed. Queen maybe? Our 3rd door and our 3rd, it's a half bath. Oh no, it's not. It's a full bathroom. How crazy, huh? And our third door out. What? 3 doors into our room and 2 balconies, I believe. Here's the other balcony. This is the bigger balcony. All right, this is what I'm talking about. I cannot thank you enough, whoever the cast member was. I will be finding out, by the way, whoever the cast member was that upgraded us to this. You made her very happy. Very happy. So, it's pretty exciting. Holly, you excited about the room?
I'm very excited.
Look how excited you look. You're just walking away as I'm talking to you.